This is the reload.
We're on 6th.
This is the elevator. The elevator for 24 at Chicago Union Station, Chicago, Illinois. Not opening SR for obvious reasons. Oh, it's a separate floor. This goes to the street level. There's S. Yep, it goes into a street. C. This goes to a that goes out.
Go back down.
Let's go back down to the concourse level. Just your basic Amtrak, newer Amtrak elevator. Innovation Bruiser fixtures, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. There's your City of Chicago. Just a Chicago certificates are really hard to read. Watch doors close. There goes in. What the heck? Okay, there goes and that's it.